Today, we're excited to announce our new connector for Closed Caption Converter and Iconik's Media Asset Management System. Closed Caption Converter is an advanced API for processing closed caption and subtitle files. Iconik is an asset management system used to organize libraries of video content. With Closed Caption Converter, you can now convert closed caption files on the fly in Iconik. We take advantage of custom actions and metadata views in Iconik to provide users with a simple way to convert closed caption formats. We can attach the output to the original asset or deliver the file as a new asset to a pre-configured storage location. Closed Caption Converter can also be used for transcription and translation using the service providers configured in our web interface. Transcribe media using the proxy file from Iconik. The result is better transcriptions and more control over the output. Translate your existing subtitles using our API to generate additional language options in just a few seconds. For more information, please contact our support or sales team at closedcaptioncreator.com.